What's up, YouTube? This is Lazy Jason. Second video of crafting. I got you one piece of paper. If you guys remember my first video of crafting, I made a origami paper tank, metal shooter paper tank. Check out that video if you ain't seen it. Want to know how to make this sucker? Yeah. This I'm gonna make a spinner. It actually works. Enjoy. Camera. You got your. See every piece of paper, right? Okay, so what you want to do is simple stuff. Over here, you want to fold it like a hamburger style. Paper creases, cool. Good.
Well, you need scissors.
Nope. Not necessary. You can, but you don't really need scissors. Refold it back on that line. Yes, I am using paper that already had designing on it. It doesn't matter. It's just paper. There we go. Look it. Don't hit my face.
The story of Death Note. I really just want to find more.
You guys already don't know by now who I am. Don't even go there. Crafting?
What's gonna happen next, you know? Like, I don't know. I know when it ended that way. Exactly. I'm like,
so,
why?
like you'll have your line.
It's just like that good movie, Population.
Two pieces of paper. Throw one to the side.
Oh, this won't take forever.
Got one piece of paper. Sorry, people. Flip it over. Fold a hamburger style. No, you don't have to turn it over. You can just straight up pull it hamburger style. I don't want to have the design. That design. I just want this a white piece of paper. Crafting very well. Okay, so you got that, right? Take this tip right here. Pull it over. Like that. Like this. Like so. Okay, you should have something that looks like that. Cool, right? Flip it over at bottom, so it should be like a bottom. Just like that. Now you want to take this in, right here, and fold it over. Sorry, dude. Like that. I wish I could record a video. Pretty much you're doing the thing like that. So now you should have something that looks like this if my camera person don't mind record. That's something that looks like this. Okay, so you're pretty much done with that. Now this is where you need to take your other piece. Do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go back over it. Hamburgers. Whatever you want to call this style. I call it the hamburger style. Or just normally what they call it out there. I don't know what the new callings for folding styles and stuff are. So I'm calling this a hamburger style because that's what I do now. See, like that, right? Yeah. Take your piece up here, top piece. Fold it down like A. Like A. Remember? Pieces as well. So it looks like that. Take it to the bottom. This top up here. Take it, pull it down. And then it's like,
I'm not gonna lie though, just like that, it really is a good,
okay. So now you have two pieces that look like this. You should. You take one, put it over on top of the other. Then you should have like something that looks like a star. But you want it to be pointing like that. Take this piece, it over like that. Take this piece, fold it over like that. Take this piece, fold it over that. Take this piece to tuck it under this. Pull over that, under that. If you have any problems with it, comment. Well, I'll talk to you about that later. Now you have to spin something like this. Okay, don't spin it, right? Okay, because now you have to do something to it. Take it, hold it like that, right? Okay. Unfold it, take this line like that, like that. Now like that. Now, that's feature, do this to it. Just make sure look on the back of it like an X, right? Cool. Because it's going to be using that. Now look, watch the spinning action. Now things are done. You can design it, do whatever you want. Make out of tape. Too, and it looks like it has blades.
What too bad? That's why we didn't even hear you. You ever spin that off?
Oh, sorry. Okay, done. Okay, well guys, I guess I'm going to end this video here. Thank you. From the first 2 craft videos, I made a spinning spinner and a metal shooting tank. If you don't want a metal shooting tank, all you gotta take your metal thing, you know, do the same thing and then just put it back in the hole. It's simple. It really, really is, guys. Yeah, my little cousin came over and messed it up. Now he put a cool design on it. That's his design. So, comment in the comment section below. Subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Lazy Jason Craft. Advanced in this video. Bye.
Oh, did I make a video?